Ximmerse. Hi everyone, welcome to watch Oway Portable Interactive Whiteboard presentation. Now we can have a great fun with Google Maps, zoom in or zoom out. You can open the browsers, touch and switch web pages freely, or draw pictures with your friends together, play games, even operate ABC software or other software. Or you can also draw a circle on it. Use rulers, triangle rulers, protractors, and other tools. See, we can easily zoom in, zoom out, or rotate pictures. And don't forget, we can also annotate PowerPoint.
Alexa, play music. Alexa, who is Michael Jackson?
Michael Joseph Jackson was
Alexa, how's the weather in Shenzhen today?
Currently, in Shenzhen, China.
Alexa, set an alarm at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Second alarm set for 7 a.m.
Speaker and microphone to make phone calls. It's entirely true, and performance is just about. It is not officially certified by Google, therefore no G-apps framework. To people like me that don't need that many apps, well, not horrible, but if you prefer to have customizations, a virtual keyboard, constant, which is available for both Android and iOS. Lots of features to control. You may set alarms and watch faces and do other usage. It felt better than the TicWatch Pro in terms of responsiveness, but don't forget that the TicWatch has a faster quad-core CPU and the whole Google G Apps pack